Hello, viewers, welcome to their works. Today too, let's begin our walk. This early morning in Tamale, a street leading to the biggest hospital in the north. That's Tamale Teaching Hospital. That's the street that leads to Tamale Teaching Hospital. So in case one day find yourself here, you can just check where this video and see where you are. Yeah. And this early morning, you see yellow and cars over. Motos over. Walk with me. Walk with me. As I said earlier, this is the road that leads to the teaching hospital in Tamale. So it's called Tamale Teaching Hospital. Yeah, there's a filling station here, Nim Avenue Total Energies. That's the name of the filling station. Yeah, so you can see cars around yellow. This place too. If you are going to a short distance, you have to pick yellow. Some people call it keke. Other people also call it is it Pragia or something like that? Yeah. Is Ghana, the northern part of Ghana. Northern part of Ghana. Northern part of Ghana. Kindly subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Yeah. Subscribe to this channel. Like it, you walk with Ida. As I said, early morning Tamale. So you see how little busy the road is. The road is not all that busy. Yeah, it's 8:40 a.m. 8:40 a.m. So I think most of the workers are at work as I'm shooting this video. That's why the road isn't that busy. Yeah. Most of the times, early in the morning, the road becomes busy. And during the night, or let's say in the evening, yeah, when the workers close from work, yeah, the road becomes busy. Yeah, that is how the environment and the streets looks like. This is Tamale. This is Tamale. So you can see me showcasing this place. This is Tamale. Yeah, we are heading towards the teaching hospital, the Tamale Teaching Hospital. We are heading towards the Tamale Teaching Hospital. Heading towards the Tamale Teaching Hospital. Yeah. Subscribe to Peter Walk. Subscribe to this channel. We have more videos to upload for you to see many places, Ghana and all over the world. Yeah. This place, the way females can ride motorbike, it will shock you. Yeah, it will shock you. This place, both males and females can ride perfectly. Yeah, they have a particular motor that they use. Yeah, they have small motors. Let me just have a view. Let me just view some for you to see. So this kind of motors that I'm talking about. Yeah. We are almost at the teaching hospital. We are almost at the teaching hospital. Yeah, we are almost at the teaching hospital. So we are almost there. That's the road, that's the teaching hospital. That's the street. Yeah. Very nice place. Very nice place. Very nice place. So this is the teaching hospital. This is the teaching hospital. As I said, that's the biggest hospital in the northern region. And so in Ghana, when you rank hospitals, I think this will be the third hospital in Ghana. The biggest one, this will be the third one. Yeah, we have Kalebu, we have Konfanoche, then TTH. Kalebu is the biggest one, then this one will come here, then Konfanoche, that the Kumasi one will come, then this one too. Come. Yeah. So let's just have a view of it. Let's just have a view of it. You go inside differently, as I said. Yeah. So this is the hospital, how the hospital looks like. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the hospital. Yeah, this is the hospital. Let's continue with our walk. So we are now bypassing the hospital. Yeah, so we can see cars being parked here. Yeah. So this is the street of Tamale. I think Tamale, their main streets, I think this one will be part. Yeah. The busiest street in Tamale, this one is part. So you can compare this to your town. whether Kumasi, Accra, any of the country that you are, any of the countries that you are, you can compare this to it. Is your hometown street much busy in the morning like this? Like around 8 a.m. Is it busy or it's less busy like this? Me, I see it to be this road is not all that busy. I see it to be this road is not all that busy as compared to Accra. Yeah. There is no traffic around this place. Yeah, the traffic is far away from the hospital. As I told you, the road is not busy, that's why there is no traffic. Yeah, I think that's why it's less busy. It's less busy. The road is less busy. Yeah, you can see it's now that workers are also coming to work. Yeah, I have to relax and cross. You see how big the road is. There is a hospital here, New Life Hospital. So this is one of the main streets in Tamale. Yeah, so I've stopped yellow. I want to go to different places. It's in Ambaria. Okay. So I'm going to a place called Shoot a video for you. Ambaria.